1. Puppies are born without teeth, but they start getting their baby teeth when they are around 2 to 4 weeks old. 2. Puppies have really good hearing and can hear higher sounds than grown-up dogs and even humans. 3. Puppies have dreams just like people do, and you might see them moving, wagging their tails, or making little noises while they're asleep. 4. When they're very young, puppies have a special instinct to crawl and find their mom's milk by using their sense of smell. 5. Puppies have an amazing sense of smell and can detect scents that humans can't. That's why they can be trained to find things like missing people or drugs.